Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bruce Danlag. I am an automotive technology student here at Jones Technical Institute. Today, I would like to talk about the heating and air conditioning systems basic operation. In front of me here is the animation illustration where I'm going to point out the basic refrigerant cycle, and I would show and tell. Uh, Starting at the compressor, which is this one right here. Put a number there, number 1. This is the compressor right here. A low pressure gas is compressed into a high pressure gas, which is this is the line right here. A high pressure gas, and it's pumped into the condenser. This is the condenser right here, which is located in front of the vehicle radiator. For most big vehicle. Then the gaseous refrigerant is cooled by the air passing through the condenser and leaves the condenser as a high pressure liquid subcooling, which is right here. The high pressure is required to allow the change from gas to liquid. Follow that line right there. Then the high pressure is required to allow the change from gas to liquid. From there, the liquid travels through the small orifice restriction, which is on this one right here, the second page of the illustration. This is the fixed orifice restriction. Tube, and then from there the liquid travels to the small orifice restriction that reduces the pressure of the refrigerant. A fixed orifice tube or thermal expansion bulb, which is this one right here, thermal expansion bulb, or on this one, on this illustration, located right here. After the restriction, the low side of the system begins. The low pressure liquid, which is this right here, leaves the metering device and travels to the evaporator. Travels to the evaporator right there. The blue in color right there. That's the low pressure. After the restriction, the low side of the system begins. The low pressure liquid leaves the metering device and travels to the evaporator in the passenger compartment. As the low pressure travels to the evaporator, a fan blows the warm to the hot air cabin across the fans, adding heat to the refrigerant until it boils. As it boils, it absorbs heat from the air, and the liquid refrigerant is transferred back into the gas superheat. The gaseous refrigerant then travels back to the compressor. Travels back to the compressor, which is this right here. Evaporator. The low pressure gas travels back to the compressor to start the cycle over. And that should concludes the basic operation of heating and air conditioning system. Thank you for watching.